Imagine walking into a classroom and there's no teacher. Instead, AI is teaching you everything. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening right now in the UK. Is this the future of education, or are we making a huge mistake? Let's break it down and debate. Can AI replace human teachers? Drop your opinions in the comments because this is about to get controversial. The UK's first fully AI-powered classroom, where 20 GCSE students are taught by AI. AI adapts lessons based on student performance in core subjects like science, maths, English, and computer science. AI creates personalized learning paths and detects strengths and weaknesses instantly. Human teachers are removed, but learning coaches are there for soft skills and behavior. This is groundbreaking, but also a bit scary. Are we really ready to remove human teachers from the classroom? Why some believe AI should replace teachers. AI is personalized. It learns what each student struggles with and adjusts lessons in real time. No human bias. AI won't have personal biases or favoritism, ensuring equal learning opportunities. Scalability. AI can teach thousands at once, solving teacher shortages globally. Data-driven learning. AI collects data on students to pinpoint weaknesses more accurately than human teachers. Focus on soft skills. Instead of traditional teaching, human coaches can focus on debate, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, there's another side to this argument. Why some believe AI should not replace teachers. AI lacks emotional intelligence. It can't understand students' emotions, struggles, or life situations. No real social interaction. Classroom learning is more than just knowledge. It's about discussions, teamwork, and human interaction. Loss of mentorship. Teachers inspire, guide, and motivate students, something AI can't replicate. Over-reliance on technology. What happens if AI makes mistakes? Who is accountable? Risk of dehumanization. AI treats students like data points instead of unique individuals. Host. Imagine never having a teacher who motivates you, pushes you, or understands you as a person. Is that a future we really want? Educational experts say former head teacher. AI is dehumanizing education. Students need role models and teachers for emotional growth. AI enthusiasts. Artificial intelligence is just a tool. We are not removing teachers completely, just shifting their role. Hosts. So is artificial intelligence enhancing education or ruining it? Let's see what students actually think. Student opinions. Based on news reports, pro-AI students. AI knows exactly what I'm good at and weak at. It makes learning so much faster. I don't have to wait for teachers to notice my struggles. AI figures it out instantly. Anti-AI students, I miss the human connection. AI doesn't care if I'm struggling emotionally. It feels isolating. Learning is supposed to be interactive, not just me and a screen. Clearly, opinions are divided. So now, it's time to answer the big question. Possible middle ground. AI as an assistant, not a replacement for teachers. AI personalizes learning, but teachers provide mentorship and emotional support. AI can reduce workload for teachers so they can focus on creativity and soft skills. Host, now it's your turn. Do you think AI can or should replace teachers? Comment below, like, share and subscribe for more debates.